In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find favorite stores on Dhgate. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to quickly pull up the sellers you've saved so you can compare prices, check new arrivals, and reorder with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to dhgate.com. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your personalized dashboard. The layout may look slightly different depending on your region or device, but the navigation we'll use is consistent on desktop. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner for your profile area. This is usually an avatar or a profile label. Click that to open your account menu. From that menu, select My Dhgate. This takes you to your account hub, where all your orders, messages, and saved items are organized. On the My Dhgate page, focus on the left-hand side. You'll see a vertical navigation panel with different sections. Scroll if needed and look for the section labeled Favorite or Favorites. That's where Dhgate groups the things you've saved for quick access. Within that Favorites section, click Favorite Stores. This is the specific view that shows only the stores you've chosen to follow or save, separate from individual products. After you click, you'll land on a page that lists all your favorite stores in one place. Here, you can browse through your saved sellers, open any store to view their catalog, and check details such as ratings, response time, and current promotions. If you have a lot of favorites, use any available filters or sorting options to organize the list by most recent name or activity. This page is also where you can tidy up your list by removing stores you no longer follow, which helps keep your favorites focused on the sellers you actually buy from. A couple of helpful tips as you navigate. If you don't see the favorites section on the left, make sure the sidebar isn't collapsed and confirm you're logged into the correct account. If you're using a mobile browser or the Dhgate app, the path is similar. Open your profile, go to My Dhgate, then locate favorites and tap favorite stores. And if you ever want to add more stores in the future, look for a heart or favorite button on a store's page to save it for easy access later. That's it. Go to dhgate.com, open your profile, head into My Dhgate, use the left side favorites section, and select favorite stores. Now you know exactly where your saved sellers live for faster, smarter shopping.